Hi guys, welcome to Tacting channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to clip your YouTube videos. So let's go to YouTube first. Go to here, your videos. If you want to clip any videos, just go here, pencil icon. Now click on this editor. Okay, now what you're going to do is you'll find here all of your video and you can clip it from here, like edit or clip, trim your videos, whatever you want. Okay, so yeah guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.